Welcome to the RPL Assess Manager's portal. As the RTO Manager, you'll direct and control the operations of the RTO. Start with the custom subdomain you've saved and log in to your RPL Assess dashboard. Your dashboard displays an activity timeline. Today, this week, this month, last 3 months, all time, the number of students added to the system, and the number of selected units assigned to each student. Understanding statistics on your RTO's activity can help you make proactive decisions and allocate your resources accordingly. To add a new assessor, click on Assessors at the top menu to see the list of your registered assessors. When you click on New, the menu page will open. Start by entering your assessor's name, then your assessor's email. Ensure the active icon is on blue. Use notes to include the units or qualifications this person is authorized to assess, the course or client this assessor will work with, their campus or location. Select the tick box to send an email to your assessor. Then click Add Assessor. Your assessor will receive an email with instructions on setting up their password and login. Make sure your assessor is familiar with the RPL Assess Assessor tutorial video. At this stage, your assessor doesn't have any students. Return to your dashboard and add a new student. Click on Student and then click on New. Start by entering your student's name, then your student's email. Enter the student's USI. Ensure the active icon is on blue. Select the tick box to send an email to your student. Then click Add Student. Your student will receive an email with instructions on setting up their password and login. Ensure your student is prompted to view the RPL Assess Student tutorial video. At this stage, your student doesn't have a unit of competency assigned. Adding one or more units of competency starts with your main dashboard. Click on Students at the top left of the main menu. This will open the Manage Students dashboard. In this example, we'll open Student 4. Click on the pencil icon to manage the student. Enter the assessor you'd like to assess Student 4's RPL evidence. Select RPL as the program type. Enter the unit code. Click Confirm when your unit code and title appear. You may continue to add more units of competency for the student. You'll be prompted to activate the selected units of competency. Click on Check Out. Follow the prompts to make your purchase. This unit of competency is now assigned to Student 4. The RPL Assess platform offers proactive and transparent management of your students and assessors. Returning to the main dashboard, click on Students in the top menu. Select the student you'd like to view. In this example, Student 1. The option to log in as user allows you to view the student's progress. The system will automatically ask you to confirm you'd like to proceed. Click on Status to view the student's RPL status and progress. You might take this opportunity to offer coaching to the student or use this information to discuss strategies to assist the student with their assessor. You'll note the option to switch back your login located at the very top of your screen. The system will return you to the Manager's dashboard. A similar Login as User function is available to manage your assessors. Click on Assessors in the top menu. The system displays a list of assessors and their email address and the number of students assigned to the assessor. In this example, we'll check on Assessor 1. The option to update your assessor details will appear, as does the option to log in as user. When you log in as user, the system will ask you to confirm you'd like to proceed. A list of the students assigned to this assessor and the units of competency assigned to each student will appear. Click on the plus icon to open and view the status of your selected student. Click on the unit of competency you'd like to review, in this case, BSBRSK 401. You may now view firsthand the RPL evidence the student has submitted and the numeric weighting the assessor has assigned to each item of the RPL evidence, and the assessor's judgment across the training package. In this example, you can view the assessor's judgment in relation to Performance Criteria 1.1. An Evaluation in Progress barometer indicates the status of the RPL process. We have 3% of this unit completed. Clicking on the cloud icon allows all RPL evidence to be opened and viewed for validation and audit purposes. You may take this opportunity to discuss strategies to assist the assessor with the RPL process. RPL Assess allows you to remain connected with your assessor to ensure the student's journey is prompt and effective. Use the Switch Back function to return to the Manager's portal. Generate a transcript. To view a record of the student's completed progress, return to the main dashboard. The icon is notification the assessment process has been finalized. Click on the icon to view the student's result. In this case, Student 2. BSBSM B402, Planned Small Business Finance, was assessed to be competent on the 17th of October 2019. Choose to send an email notification to your RTO administration, to enter Student 2's results into the RTO Student Management System and print the student's testament, the student, and/or a notification for your own records. View a history of your RTO's activity by starting once again at the main dashboard. Click on Units, and then select Purchased History. Each purchase has a unique transaction ID and a timestamp. View each unit, the cost of each unit against the name of the corresponding student. The transaction details can be useful for your billing and account reconciliation. RPL Assess has an option to archive students who are complete or no longer active. Click on Students in the main dashboard. Archiving students will keep your list of students concise and current. Open the student you'd like to archive. Swipe the blue Active icon to the left. Update Student. Return to the Student menu and click on Inactive. Your student is added to the inactive list and is hidden from your active students. If you'd like to return the student to active status, simply reverse the process. Swipe the active icon to blue and Update Student. That's it. You're now connected with your assessors and students and can proactively manage their roles in the RPL assessment process. To understand the assessor's workflow in more detail and to become familiar with the student's role, please view Assessor's Tutorial, Student's Tutorial.